Hello, people. I know you guys are very eager to know about the glow secret. So, now I'm just letting you guys know. So, the treatment that I do or the therapy that I do is called cupping therapy. And the place is there in Chennai, T Nagar, and this is Halina Cupping Therapy Center. So, if you're someone from Chennai, do visit this place. You will definitely like the experience and whatever result that it gives from it. So let's get started. So the first thing that they do is that they prep your face. So they clean your face with the Dermafig, and also they use aloe vera gel throughout the facial process or the therapy process. This is completely natural, guys. Apart from these two products, they do not use any other product. They only use the cupping tools and all those that they have. So I'll take you guys through this whole process. So this place ambience itself is so calm and serene, and they have changed their whole interior and everything. I really liked it right now, and they always play amazing music throughout the session. Just because I want to tell you guys about it, I have just cut the clips. So she's applying aloe vera gel, and the first thing that they do is that prep your skin. So they do the basic cleaning with a very low pressure with the same cupping. So she's just using the same cupping cups with which that she's giving a very mild pressure to remove all the dirts and the basic cleaning. So what is this cupping therapy, if you ask me? This is something where they use a suction cup. Okay, it can be manual also, but here they use a machine based one, where it helps to increase the blood flow. When they do this, when they suction out each place throughout your face in a very circular motion or in a process, you will see the blood flowing better, due to which your skin rejuvenates and your blood cells gets better and the new cell comes in, which gives you a better glow and a younger look. If you have wrinkles or if you're already hit your 30 plus, you should definitely try this, where you get the wrinkles and all reduce over a point of time, and you will definitely see result in the first time, but you may not see the result if you don't do it properly. Just do it at least on a very interval basis. I do not have pimple or any other issue, so I just do it to take care of my skin. So the instrument that she is using right now, this is called as like high frequency ultrasonic scrubber. Okay, this cleans the skin and removes the blackhead completely, and this is just a scrubber kind of a thing where the flap works. And again, I'm saying, guys, they have a proper procedure. The first is just clean up, the basic cleanup, and you will see that they do on one side completely and then take you to the second side to ask your feedback, and that's how they work. So you can see right now that there is some suctioning happening. That's the whole benefit of this whole therapy. So now I'll tell you guys about the price and the pain points of this whole therapy. For example, I am doing the basic facial cupping. This is 1500. So if you're someone who has acne, then it costs around 2000 bucks, and they have for every particular concern that you have in your face. They even have concern for your hair. They have something called oxygen jet treatment and what so on, and they have like an instant glow, all those things. And right now what she's doing to my face is that sculpting your lower jaw. Okay, this is where a little painful thing starts, because the suction gets increased because it's jaw area and it's a bigger cup. This part again is blackhead remover, where the pressure is quite high, due to which you might find a little pain or whatever. But then this is a process. Your cleanup is absolutely pain free, and as and when you go, I won't say it's too much of pain where you cannot handle. It can be handled, but it's going to pain for you guys little. So I am someone, I have done only their facial cupping for 1500. Probably I've done in last 1 year for 4 times or 5 times. But if you're someone who is having a concern, the doctor name is Halina and she's amazing, she's kind. She tells you what is the process that they are going to do for your requirement. Basis that you can have your session done. And they have like an instant glow thing. Recently she gave me an update that cost around somewhere around 9k, where you can definitely see an amazing result in your first session. Where if you have a lot of pigmentation or whatever, please ignore my face right now. I'm under a little pain, so that's the reason. And I think, yeah, I told you guys about the price and the pain point, because after which, okay, the person who's doing for me first clean my face pain free, sculpted my jaw, like the lower jaw, it is going to be little painful. Then removing the blackheads, yes, painful. And now whatever she's doing is actually removing the pigments, like for example tan. Okay, this is where she will use a little more pressure, and you can see the way she does. Okay, she's going to do it little fast. When she does it little fast with a high pressure, then it's definitely going to like literally tighten your skin and you're gonna get hurt like a little. You have to just bear the pain, you will get used to it. And then if you notice, there is nothing else apart from aloe vera gel and little water that they use. So again, I am someone who believes in investing on skincare and on a very natural and healthy way. I have tried Ayurveda when I had a lot of pimples or whatsoever. It takes a lot of time to work, and then when I wanted to take care of my skin, wanted something for my skin, this is what I figured out, and it really works for me. It's in T Nagar, guys. I'll drop you down in my video. You can definitely check it out. If you are not from Chennai, please do Google that cupping therapy. Okay. Hijama is completely different, guys. Cupping therapy is different. Pick cupping therapy and search nearby in your place. See their rating. If you really find them good, do try it from your place as well. So right now whatever she is doing is to remove pigmentation and all that. So that's what she is doing. See, you can definitely see that, like when she started to right now, already my skin has a lot of glow. So when you use a lot of pressures, then probably you give some heat and you give some pain to your face. So this one that she is using is an ultrasonic cooling machine. Okay, so what they do is that this machine acts almost like an ice cube, guys. So it gives you a very cooling effect but not overdosing. So when they do that, your skin is right now, whatever pores got opened and all that, it's going to get tightened and closed. Every time when you do, you have to close your pores. Like that's the whole point of doing any process, and that's what they are doing right now, sealing my pores and soothing my face. This is my face after treatment. You guys can see the glow definitely. Can you see my nose? Okay, my smile, yes, take it. And the last step is that this is what they use. This is like a UV light. Okay, so this they keep for around 5 minutes, and that helps you as like the last step. And that was the drama that I did, and this is my face, and yes, my happy face after all that cupping. So I hope you guys had some clarity on it. Thank you for watching. Bye.